Hello students, today we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Planner as a tool to help us prepare for study hall and to manage our work during study hall. So to access Microsoft Planner, go to your Office 365 page and click on the Planner tab here. If it doesn't show up, click on the Show More Apps button and you will see all the apps, and then just find Planner and click on it. Now once you come to Planner, you'll see that you can create several plans, and so today we're going to just show you how to set up a new plan, and if you'd like to, you can create several plans for different classes or one plan for all your classes. It's really up to you, but we're going to show you how to do it. So begin by going to the top left corner and clicking on the new tab button, the new plan button. When you click on that, a new plan window will come up. So begin by naming your plan. So I'm going to call this Study Hall To-Do List. I'm going to set it as private, so only I can see it. And then I will create a plan. So when it creates your plan, it'll take a moment just to load. And then it will take you right to your new plan. So from this page, you'll see right at the top left corner is a to-do list. Now this is where you will enter in what assignments you have to complete. So let's say today I was in Ancient Civilization and Mr. Elson assigned to me a reading on Mesopotamia. So I will go ahead and enter that in as a title for the thing that I need to complete. Underneath, you can select what day you need to finish this by. So I have class on day 2, and so today was a day 2, and then Friday will be a day 2, so I need to finish this activity by day 2. You can assign this if you want to. In this case, I would just assign it to myself. Sometimes you will have a group project that you need to work on, and this would be a handy tool for assigning different members of your group. But for right now, I'll just assign it to myself, and I will add a task. Okay, so now you'll see I have a task here, a reading on Mesopotamia. Now, there are several things that I can do with this task. One, if we click on the different things here, we can label it. So give us some different colors if you want to. If you click on the reading in Mesopotamia, it'll give you different options. You can select, has it started, not started yet? Is it in progress? Is it completed? When are you going to start it? So are you going to start it tonight in study hall? Or are you going to do it tomorrow? And of course your due date. Description would be a good spot. Maybe if you want to put page 25 to 27. That's what you have to do. And anything else that you want, attachments or comments. Okay, and then when that is filled in, you can just exit out of that and your details will be updated. So let's say you have another assignment, maybe in math class, so you would have math homework. And you could set the due date for Friday again, and again you would assign it to yourself. So if you need to create a new activity, you just click on the plus button here, all right? And so maybe we'll add one more that says science. Okay, the due date will be next week, and again we assign it to ourselves. All right, so now we have 3 tasks to do. So here we have a list of different tasks, and we can see when they are due. I would recommend that you organize your tasks by when they're due. So for reading on Mesopotamia, you might want to move it up. And your science paper, right, your science paper, ooh, I just deleted it, which was due on the 17th, you would move down. Okay, so here we have different tasks. Now, in order to keep track of your tasks, you can either look on the board section here or come over here and click on charts. your charts will show you that you have 2 tasks that have not started yet. All right? So your charts is a really easy graphic way to keep track of what you haven't started and what you've completed. So let's say during study hall you finish your reading on Mesopotamia. Right next to the name, reading on Mesopotamia, there's a little check mark. Click that when you're finished with it, and it will move it to the completed box down here. So then, again, you can go over to check your charts, and now you will see that you have 1 assignment that isn't started and 1 left to complete. All right. So what we're going to do now is take the time for you to set up your own new plan and put some assignments in that you'll need to complete during study hall tonight. And then when you get to study hall tonight, check your Microsoft Planner to see what you need to finish. That's all. If you have any questions, let me know or your advisor know.